Hello everyone and welcome to my grill. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I'm going to share with you how to prepare and grill the best salmon with a corn and bacon relish. As you know, we specialize in meats raised on our farm, but many of us like variety in our diet. So due to popular demand, we have been able to obtain some wild-caught Alaskan salmon. Our supplier assures us that the salmon is sustainably sourced and reflects our values here at John Henry's. If you purchase a salmon fillet from us, it will either come in a 6-ounce or an 8-ounce piece that is vacuum sealed to ensure freshness. Salmon is known as one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. It's a great source of omega-3 fatty acids that can decrease inflammation and support brain health. It's also rich in vitamin B12, which is necessary for producing red blood cells and regulating the health of the central nervous system. I'm really excited to share this recipe with you today because it's pretty simple to make, but it really tastes like something gourmet. To follow my exact recipe, you can find the link in the description below. To begin, you'll want to thaw your salmon overnight in the refrigerator. Once you are ready to begin cooking, you will want to start with the corn and bacon relish. If your grill does not have a side burner like I do here, you'll want to start the relish on your stovetop. You're going to begin by taking 6 slices of bacon and cutting them crossways into 1/2-inch pieces. Then we'll go ahead and add them to our skillet. We're going to cook the bacon over medium heat until it's brown and crisp. While that's cooking, we're going to use a sharp knife to cut the corn kernels off the cobs of our corn on the cob. Once the bacon is done, we're going to go ahead and add the onions and the peppers to the bacon and cook them until they become tender. Now you can add the grapeseed oil, the rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're going to sprinkle this with salt and pepper and then add a pinch of cayenne pepper. We're going to cook the relish for a few minutes on low heat to thoroughly heat everything. While that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Make sure that you have clean and oiled grates and prepare the salmon for grilling by brushing the salmon with soy sauce on each side, sprinkling it with salt and pepper and cayenne pepper. Add the salmon to the preheated grill and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the color changes about 2/3 of the way up the fillet. Turn the salmon over and allow it to cook for an additional 5 to 6 minutes or until the fish is opaque throughout. Be sure to use a meat thermometer to ensure the salmon has reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. You can now remove the salmon from the grill and serve it with the corn and bacon relish. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.